Hi Hoopers, welcome to my first ever hoop tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you a fun little combo I've been loving lately. So the prerequisites would be a behind the back juggle toss and a chest roll. So first I'll show it and then I'll explain it. So you're going to start with the hoop in your left hand. If you're left-handed, just mirror me and start with the hoop in your right hand. Start by spinning the hoop inward. Once your hand is at about 12 o'clock and the hoop is making the next rotation downward, raise your left knee up and slightly to the right to aim it towards your right hand. Catch with your right hand, thumb facing up. With your arm fully extended, hinge the hoop inward so it's parallel with your arm. Make sure you have a smaller gap at the bottom so you can execute the next move, which is an arm fold. This part is all on the wrist. Since the hoop is now top heavy, it will naturally want to fall backwards. So with your thumb facing up on the outside of the hoop, you're going to allow the hoop to fold over your arm by opening your hand and re-gripping with your palm facing back, thumb facing down. Just think thumb up, open, thumb down. Next, we're going to push the hoop back to our right side. Your palm should be facing forward, thumb up on the outside of the hoop. Next is the behind the back juggle toss. Catching with your left hand and releasing or tossing back up to your right hand. Once it's in your right hand, swing the hoop slightly back towards you and release, re-catching with your left hand still behind your back. Bend backwards and swing the hoop under your right armpit to roll up onto your chest. Extend your left arm fully for the hoop to roll down. And that's the end of the combo. Some troubleshooting tips is to make sure that when you do the behind the back juggle toss, you want to make sure that you give the hoop enough momentum to swing it back up to catch it with your right hand. And also when you do the chest roll part, you want to make sure you lean far enough back so the hoop can come up far enough under your armpit and onto your chest. So I hope you guys have fun with this, and thanks for watching. Happy hooping!